are the options. So first question that which of the following means A, between A, B, C and D, which of the following represent a line? Option A blackboard, option B paper, option C meeting place of walls, and option D scale. Which of the following among A, B, C, D it represent line? Quickly answer. Scale. Okay, scale. Okay, anyone else? Okay, now I am discussing. Okay, who answered scale first? That Nafisa, Ronit, Suhana, Rajanna, Amrita and Orvin. First of all, students, scale means like that. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3. In this way it is moving. It looks like a scale. It looks like a line. Anyone? Does it looks like a line? Now, next, just consider that walls, when two walls are meet, line segment. Okay. Now, just think these are two walls. One and first. These are meeting at here. What does it look? Yes, so which is the correct answer? Meeting place of walls. It looks like an angle. Who said this? That meeting place means that line. It is looking like an angle. Correct option is meeting place of walls. Meeting place, just look around your room, that where two walls are made, that you will it seems like a line. Scale will represent line segment, but a scale, how can its line segment be? It is a figure of scale. So does it look like a line? Line means like that. These two are same. No. So meeting place of walls is the correct answer. Okay. Next question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, it is the question number 2. What is the probability of getting red or yellow ball? What is the probability of getting red and yellow ball? In that container, 5 red balls, 5 black balls and 2 yellow balls. Find the probability of getting red or 1 red or yellow balls. Rajanna answer 5 by 12, Arpit 5 by 12, Amrita 7 by 12. Okay. I have asked the question, find the probability of getting red or yellow balls. Red or yellow balls. Red or yellow balls. First of all, the total number of balls. So required probability. It is clear. You have answered 5 by 12. Orbit also answered 5 by 12. Is it clear? Okay, so that is question number 2. Now moving on, next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. Okay. Numbers are there. 15 numbers are there, and 15 numbers are there. One number is taken from here. One number is taken from here. Find the probability getting a number which is multiple of 4. Okay, I think I am here. Find the probability. For this question I will not give you the options. Find the 15 numbers are there. Find the probability of getting the multiple of 4. So answer are started 3 by 15, 3 by 15 and also 3 by 15. Okay. Okay, so first of all, how many numbers are there? Require probability. Require probability. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 15 numbers are there. No need to count. 15 numbers are there. And which are the product, which are the factor of 4, which are the factor of 4? You can say, sir, 4 is the factor of 4, 8 is the factor of 4, 12 is the factor of 4, 16 is the factor of 4, but 16 is not there. So you can take only these 3, 4, 8, 12. So 3 numbers are there. So 3 by 15, so that is 1 by 5. Okay, clear it is, everyone? Clear it is? Okay, next question. Question number 4. Getting 53 Sundays in a leap year, not in a leap year, in a leap year. Tell the answer. This time also I will not give you the options. Find the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year. Quickly answer it. Yes. Diya Ghosh. Oh my God. Diya, we are online first time, I think. Okay. 2 by 7. Yes, students, I have discussed that. The correct answer is 2 by 7. And if it is given ordinary year, ordinary year, what will be the answer? If it is given ordinary year, that is what, then what will be the answer? 1. Yes. Very good, and welcome to our e-learning classes also. In an ordinary year, what will be the answer? Anyone? No, Rajanna, you are wrong. Look at the board, everyone. So first I will discuss for the leap year. Leap year means how many days, students? Leap year means 366 days. Okay, 360. Yes, 1/7. Who answered? Dia was very good. Well done. 1/7 is the answer. Leap year means 366 days. Now, 1 week means 7 days. So 52 weeks. 364. It is clear that 52 weeks, but we have in a year 360 days. So 2 days is extra there. 2 days are extra there. Now 52 weeks, it must have 52 Sundays. Okay, it is clear. Now the problem is that if these 2 days, between these 2 days is 1 day is Sunday, then obviously we will get 53 Sundays. Clear? It is clear. That's when we will get 53 Sundays. 52 weeks means 52 Sundays is confirmed. 52 Sundays is confirmed. Between these two, if one day is Sunday, obviously it will be 53 Sundays. Now, what are the chance of these 2 days? What it may? So, sir, it may Sunday and Monday. It may Monday, Tuesday. It may Tuesday, Wednesday. It may Wednesday, Thursday. It may Thursday, Friday. It may Friday, Saturday, and it may Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So these 2 days can be either Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and Sunday. This can happen. Now, students, how many possible cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So possible cases 7. Now, how many places you are finding Sunday? 1, and here Sunday. 2 Sunday are there. First and last. So what is the possible cases and favorable cases? 2. So correct answer is 2/7. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Clear, Rajanna? Orpit? Okay, clear. And in case of leap year, what will happen? In case of non-leap year, in case of ordinary year means non-leap year. days. Now 52 days into 7, that is 364. 1 day is extra. Between these 52 weeks, 52 Sunday, and in 1 day it may Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This 1 day may happen, maybe Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So total option possible cases 7, and 1 is favorable cases and only 1 Sunday. So that's why 1/7. For an ordinary year or non-leap year, probability of getting 53 Sundays or any other day, that is 1/7, and leap year you will get 2 days, that is 2/7. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So today I will, and student, each and every day watch the full all the classes what I'm uploading in our YouTube channel. Today, except this video, class, more video will be uploaded. Must watch that video. Due to some problem today, I have upload just before after almost 10 minutes. So now I am ending the class here, and one more video will be uploaded, that is revision part 4. This class is revision part 3. Next class will be revision part 4. That is also very much important and very much helping for your upcoming exam. Must watch that video. Okay. So those who are present, write it down, yes sir, in the chat box.